Objective and use case. In this session, you will build a safety logic circuit using a 74HC00 quad 2 input NAND gate to control a DC motor. The motor will only activate when two separate push buttons are engaged at the same time, mimicking a two-hand control safety device. Why it is useful. Times industrial safety. Prevents operators from reaching into a hydraulic press or cutting machine while it is moving. Times accident prevention. Ensures both hands are occupied on the controls during the dangerous phase of operation. Times logic composition demonstrates how to create an AND function using universal NAND gates.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE net lists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point. If you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to prometeo.blog and get started today.